Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove the logo background or white background in Canva. So I will show you the perfect process. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So first we need to go in this create and upload your logo from here. Just go to the upload file, just select your logo and just open it. Now go to the edit image. Here we have that logo. Go to the create design. So here we have the all tools of Canva, so you can simply edit it. So we have that background. Okay, you can remove it. Just select that logo. I just resize that logo first. Okay, do one thing, just select that image, go to the BG remove, background remove, then background will be removed. Now you can download it as a PNG and download it. So once in download, so let me open it. You can see there is a logo without background, but you can see there is a still white background. So if you don't want this white background also, then you can do one thing, just go to the download again, and while downloading you need to select that transparent background. So there is a, the logo will be download with no background, so it means no white background. You can see this is my logo. Okay, so that is how you can download or you can remove the logo white background. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.